I found that photo in the sofa, and it's from way back in '01.
Say something in German.
So I guess there's much I never told you, like who I am, who I love, where I've been and where I came from. Grew up on 913 of Blue Rock. Memories of 6 kids running around those halls. Then out in the California sunshine.
정말 이렇게 6년 만에 진짜 다 여행을 하다가 다시 또 이렇게 만나게 되니까 그것 자체가 정말 신이 주신 기회가 아닐까라는 생각이 들어서 굉장히 이렇게 친구들이랑 다시 만나게 돼가지고 너무 행복합니다. 진짜.
Exhale into the stretch. Let your hips sink back. Hello, I'm Spencer, one of Daddy K's brothers. We met in Asia about 6 years ago in front of a hostel on my first night in Chiang Mai. And upon meeting each other, and we ended up hanging out for like a month and a half because the vibes were so good. And here we are again in India right now. Happy to be here today. Thanks for listening. Wishing you the best.
원래 6년 만에 만난 건데 진짜 여긴 데이지, 여기는 스펜서, 여기는 비카. 이렇게 다시 또 사총사가 6년 만에 모였습니다. 여행을 시작해 볼게요. You don't know what I'm talking about, right? No. Yeah, exactly.
We understood that you're introducing us.
Yes, true.
Yes.
Your turn.
Oh, you heard me.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, come on. Okay, left, right, right first. Break. Right, no break. Right. No break. No break. Just do it. Right.
Kick the legs.
Left
Yes.
leg, kick more.
Yes.
Kick more fast.
Yeah. Beautiful. Yeah, much better than before.
Cup your hands. Go like this when you're going down. It'll make you swim better.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
No. Yes, you're ready. I know.
Where's the consent?
No, you.
I'm saying no.
Yeah. 여기가 바닷가다 보니까 이제 생선 요리나 뭐 이런 게 많나 봐요. 음식점에서 이제 생선 카레를 해주신다 그래서 한번 가서 먹어볼 예정입니다.
What purpose?
Yeah, it's good.
Nice.
Yes. Yes.
아니.
아차.
아짜. thank you.
Acha.
아짜.
It is acha.
이런 식으로 반찬입니다. 여기만의 약간 김치 같은 느낌인 거죠. 먹고 싶은 만큼 덜어서 이제 반찬이랑 밥이랑 이렇게 섞어서 이렇게 먹는 겁니다. 일반적인 카레라기보다는 그냥 일반적인 식사인데 평균적으로 이렇게 먹는 것 같아요. 나니. What is this food name?
Just meals.
Just meals, right?
I guess we can call it like a sexy right hand breakfast.
Yeah. 약간 일반 카레 먹는 거랑 좀 달라요. 반찬이 되게 시큼하고 되게 뭔가 고소하고 그냥 그런 느낌이 있어요.
How you like the fish?
It's very perfect.
Yeah.
How's it taste? Nice?
So nice, so nice. Good.
First make a ball, lift it and push it through your thumb.
I will show you. Teach me this time. Make ball like this.
Grab it, squeeze it.
Tight ball. Squeeze the balls.
Squeeze the balls.
Twist.
Twist.
Pull.
One ball or two balls? And put my head down.
No, no need.
Not me.
Bring your hand,
Yes, thank you.
push it through.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, perfect. Clap. Ah, now I know it. Make
Squeeze
ball.
it.
Put my hand. 어떻게 먹는지 알았습니다. 네, 손을 잘 해서 동그랗게 만들고 엄지 손가락을 밀어 넣는 거래요. 이렇게 하기 쉽네. Now I know how to eat like this, right?
Most practice and it'll be good.
Yeah.
Now try to make bigger balls.
Okay.
Bigger the better. We all are on the same boat. Except me. I'm swimming.
Yeah.
Not on the boat.
Make ball more bigger.
Yeah. Why not?
Big balls.
Was gonna stay 3 nights, but I stayed 2 nights.
I'm gonna take this. We are going to this shop called SM Silks. We are going to buy some wraparounds for us, preferably black in color. If we get it, we also will get a sari for Vika. The sari.
도착했습니다. 네, 저희는 지금 인도 전통 의상을 찾으러 가고 있습니다. 뭐 치마 같은 건데 남자분들 여기 치마 입고 그런 건데 이제 그걸 같이 사려고 지금 가고 있습니다.
I said we are very close to the shop. We still haven't found out where it is. We need to ask someone. Uncle, SM Silks. SM Silks. He doesn't know a local shop. Even after being an auto rickshaw guy, he doesn't know. He doesn't know where the shop is. And all these guys don't give a fuck. I'm the only one who's trying to find the shop out. Let's ask someone else. SM Silks. SM Silk. Okay, we finally found it. It's right here.
SM Silks.
Finally found it. Look at the girl.
Close?
Tomorrow? Not possible today? Today not possible? So everything closed. He's probably lying because everything is not closed. This is the shop we have been told about. But there should be other shops.
So what is called? That scarf name?
Lungi.
Lungi.
Lungi we call it in North. I think these South Indian people call it Mund. What's it called? Mund.
Lungi? Lungi. I hear lungi.
We finally got Lungi from this guy. We'll find out. Let's see. So we're here.
The wind is blowing hard in there.
Oh.
Yeah, you find it.
This
Is
one,
this black enough?
this one, this one,
Yes.
small one. Which one?
Oh, so it's for babies.
Ah.
How about this?
Kind of.
Acha.
Okay, how many you want?
Three. We want cheapest lungi you have.
थोड़ा कम जास्ती महंगा कम वाला मुझे
Rangti.
160 रुपीस 100 रुपीस के साथ भी नहीं मिलेगा
150 rupees.
165
150? जहाँ पे हॉस्टल में हम रह नहीं रहे हैं. So he said go to SM Silks buy for 150.
वो जाके वो अंदर का सामान निकाल के फ्री में डालने का ऐसे देखो
Oh, this is simple. The guy at the restaurant did it much more complicated.
Okay. So fold it like this. Oh,
Okay, see? It's proper way. It's okay.
Yeah. 아, 치마 같네요. 완전 편하네. 전통 의상이라고 합니다.
마카로니지.
Look at these guys.
We can be everywhere.
Yes.
Shake it.
Oh, ta-da!
Good choice.
Yeah, good shot. Wow.
We didn't need to go to S&M.
No, it's the same price.
Yes,
So
yes.
$150.
The Indian price.
Wow. So where is this customer?
Let our balls hang and breathe.
와, 이게 굉장히 착용감도 좋고 편합니다. 뭐 속옷도 안 입고도 입을 수 있다는데, 아유, 좋네요 이거. 네, 완전 좋은 전통 의상입니다. Okay, I will try it myself. So, like this.
This is the real way.
I love this first. Good. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Perfect.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Anna.
Right here.
Here you go, muchachos.
Cheers.
Cheers, everyone.
Coffee in the middle of the night.
I was gonna say the coffee number 5.